Oh, so the issue I was having with the RAM error that I was having essentially, what I did was I had the DIMMs in. Initially when I had the issue with the BIOS, I had it in DIMM 2 and 2. And I swapped it over to DIMM 1, 1A, A1, and B1. And once I got the BIOS update and it was working, it was giving me that error saying that the memory is not optimized. So once again, Google, and I figured out that it's optimized when it's in DIMM A2 and B2. And once I did that, the error went away. It's a pain in the neck, but you know, get it right. Like I said, I don't come back in these computers and I don't touch anything. Assuming now that, yeah, I think the debugger tells you the temperature of the computer. I still didn't put in the CD key or anything or get the internet yet. I just wanted to make sure that once I close the case up this time, everything is running 100%. And then I can work on the actual software and stuff like that. But yeah, so looks so good so far. What I need to do now is hook up. The last two things I need to connect is the two SSDs that I have. And once I do that, boot it up again, make sure it boots, connect the Wi-Fi, make sure I connect all the cables, Wi-Fi and everything like that, and then we'll work on the software.